Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, Math TikTok PH. Thank you so much.
Hello, students. Happy learning. Our learning objectives for today is at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to first define discounts, sale price, and selling price. Second, solve money problems involving percentages on discounts and sale price. Ito po ang kailangan matutunan ng mga grade 7 students in the Matatag new curriculum. Are you ready? Okay. So first, you are going to define the following terms. We have selling price, discount, sale price. So I have here the definition 1, 2, and 3. All you have to do is match the words or the terms. Ready? Go. Up, let's check. For number 1, the answer is discount. Discount is the reduction in the original price of a commodity, or we call this the product or service. Next, number 2, the answer is sale price. It is the final price at which a product or item is sold to a customer after discounts have been applied. And for the last one, that is selling price, the amount of money that company charges for its product. It is the price that the customers pay for buying a product without a discount. This is also known as the original. Ibig sabihin, class, yung sale price is mas mababa yung amount niya kaysa sa selling price. Okay? So now, I have here the formula to find the discount. Just simply, original price, multiply natin doon sa rate of discount. And for the sale price, the formula is original price minus lang natin si discount. Okay, tandaan po natin ito ha. We have this. Next, so apply na natin agad sila. Okay, so you are going to find the discount and sale price of an item using percentage. For number 1 problem, in a grocery store, a 670 pesos case of soda is labeled get a 20% discount. The question is, what is the discount? What is the sale price of the case of soda? Okay, so first, complete the table. Yun yung solution natin, no? Kailangan magaling po na tayong maghanap ng mga given sa problem. So, meron ba tayong original price? Yes, that is 670 pesos. And for the rate of discount, that is 0.20 or that is 20% kapag naka-percent siya. And what are we going to find? First, using the formula to find the discount, tandaan natin kanina, remember, original price, multiply lang natin sa rate of discount. So we have 670 times 0.20, and that is 124. I mean, 134. And then, kapag meron na tayo niyan, makukuha na natin si sale price. So, ano naman yung formula natin sa sale price? Remember, so that is original price, i-minus lang natin yung discount. So, just simply substitute natin. 670 minus 134, ano yung difference nila? That is 536 pesos. Yan ngayon yung ating selling price. Tignan mo ngayon yung original price, di ba? Yung sale price, mas mababa siya kaysa kay original. Kasi naka-discount po tayo ng 134. Thus, the sale price of case of soda is 536 pesos. Next, number 2 problem. The first 10 persons who will purchase of a refrigerator that originally cost 18,500 can avail a discount of 38 pesos. Jungkook, remember si Jungkook, naku, BTS, one of the members. Jungkook was lucky to avail the item at its sale price. Find how much he was able to save through the discount and how much he was able to avail the refrigerator. Okay, so sagutan na natin agad. But first, hanapin natin yung mga dapat nandyan sa given. We have to complete the table. Original price Meron ba tayo dyan? That is 18,500 pesos. And for the rate of discount, that is 0.38 or 38%. Okay. So all we have to do now is find the discount. Ilan ba yung na-discount niya doon? Ito yung formula natin. Original price times rate of discount. I-multiply lang po natin yung 18,500 times the 0.38. And then, anuhin ang ating discount. We have the 7,030. And then, kapag nakuha na natin si 7,030, next, you can now solve or find the sale price. Paano natin mahanap yung sale price na yan? Using the formula original price, ito yon, ima-minus mo lang yung discount mo. And that is 18,500 minus 7,030. And that is 11,470. Okay, so therefore, thus, the sale price of the refrigerator is 11,470. So, ang saya siguro ni Jungkook. Okay. Next, how about naman, nawawala yung original price mo and discount. Okay, so number 3. A post says that a mathematics book is on sale, which costs 440 pesos. After a discount rate of 12% was deducted, the word deducted, nabawas, remember? What is its original price? So first, complete the table. Hanapin muna natin yung nasa given. The rate of discount is 12%. Okay, ito yon. And the sale price is 440 pesos. To find the original price using the formula, no? Tandaan po natin na derive na natin yung formula. Sale price over 1 minus discount rate. Ito yung formula pag hinahanap si original price. Okay, substitute na natin. 440, ito yon yung sale price mo. Over or divide mo by 1, constant po yung 1 dyan sa formula ha, nandyan lagi yan. Minus yung rate of discount mo. Yung nakadecimal ang kunin mo siya ha. 0.12. And kapag sinubtract mo yung nasa denominator, that is 0.88 na lang. Pag dinivide ko ngayon dyan, the answer is 500. Okay, yun ngayon ang iyong original price. And therefore, you can now find the amount of discount. So ano naman yung formula natin? Just simply subtract original price minus sale price since meron na tayong original price sa given. Okay, and therefore, 500 minus 440, the discount amount is 60 pesos. Okay, and therefore, the original price of the math book is 500. Kasi nga naka-discount siya ng magkano? 60 pesos. Nag-sale siya ng 440 with the 12% discount. Okay. Next, number 4. An actor, Coco Martin, kilala niyo ba si Coco Martin, di ba? One of the famous male actor. Both a bitter gourd known as ampalaya. Okay, be healthy, remember, on its sale price of 328 pesos. He was given a discount rate of 27%. The question is, how much was the discount given for him? Okay, so gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, complete the table, and based on the given, dapat magaling tayo maghanap nung nandiyan. The rate of discount is 27% or 0.27. And also, the sale price is 328. Titignan mo lang sa given lagi. And therefore, you can now find the original price mo. Given the formula natin, sale of price, ito yon, over or divided by 1 minus discount rate. Okay. And that is 328, substitute natin, over 1, yung 1 na lagi nandyan yan ha, kasi constant po sa formula, minus 0.27. Pag sinubtract mo yung nasa denominator mo, that will be 0.73. And then you can now divide. Ang answer natin ngayon is 449.32. Yan ngayon yung original price mo. Ang tanong, paano ko malalaman yung discount? Okay, so using the formula, isubtract lang natin yung original minus sale price. Okay, so therefore, 449.32 minus 328. And the discount amount is 121.32 pesos. Okay, so therefore, the discount of Ampalaya is 121.32 pesos. Dahil naka-discount siya ng 27%. Okay? From the original price of 449.32. Ilan yung nabawas niya? Yung 300. Ayan. Okay? So, therefore, your assignment, copy the table and answer with solution on one whole sheet of paper. Okay, just simply complete the table by finding the missing value of the discount, sale price, or the original price of the given items. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds to copy. Ready? Okay. With that, I hope you learned something about the lesson on finding the discount, sale price, and original price. Goodbye and take care.